In this video, I'm showing you how to use ChatGPT by OpenAI. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. So ChatGPT is a brand new AI sort of service which answers all types of questions, and currently it's free, so it's definitely worth checking out. And let's jump straight into this guide. The first thing you need to do is go and open up a web browser and go to the top URL bar and type this in here. Type in chat.openai.com just like so, and then go and hit the enter button, and I'll also put a link in the description as well. The website is quite busy right now, so it may take a few attempts to access the website. Then, as you can see here, it says welcome to ChatGPT, log in with your OpenAI account to continue. So I don't currently have an account, so I'm going to go and tap on sign up. Then to go and create your account, you need to go and enter an email address. Then you need to go and complete the captcha, and then you can go and press continue, and then we need to go and enter a password. Then once you've entered a password, you can then go and click continue just like so. And then you need to go and verify your email. You'll get an email which looks something like this, and go and tap on verify email address just like that. Then you need to go and enter your first and last name and your phone number. Then they'll go and send you a code to that number as well. And then once you finish onboarding and creating your account, you go and get a bit of information about ChatGPT. So I'm going to go and tap next and go and press done just like so. Now we can actually go and get started. So what you need to do is come to the bottom of this page here, which is chat.openai.com/chat. And so by default, OpenAI and ChatGPT actually go and starts us on the more simple version. But in a moment, I'm going to show you how to go and get to the more advanced version, which has got more customizability. But the simple version of ChatGPT is probably what you want to use. And just before I go and show you how to go and use it, on the left-hand side, you can go and change to dark mode. You've got the OpenAI Discord updates, and you can log out again. But now let's go and type something in. So I could go and type in write me a poem or something like that, hit enter, and then it's going to go and bring your request. As you can see at the top, it does say we're experiencing exceptionally high demand. Please hang tight as we work on scaling our systems. So things may be slightly slower than usual. And then I got this response here saying, sure, what type of poem would you like? Do you have a theme or a subject in mind? So let's go and type in YouTube or something like that. And then we'll go and see what type of poem we're actually going to go and get. And look at this, ChatGPT is now writing a whole poem about YouTube. It's that awesome. And of course, you can do all sorts of things like writing essays, and there is so much stuff you can go and do with OpenAI. Now, the next thing I want to go and show you is just the more advanced version of OpenAI if you're interested in that. So if you want to go and check out the more advanced version of ChatGPT, which is called the Playground, then all you need to do is type in beta.openai.com/playground, just like so. And here we are. As you can see, it takes a moment to load, and there's a lot more stuff to this. As you can see, you sort of do taglines, and then on the right-hand side, we can go and start at the top, and we've got model, and this is the different types of AI you can actually go and use. I'm pretty sure DaVinci is the most recent one, and then you can go and change all of these other settings here. To be honest, I'm not very advanced with it, but I know some people are, so this is worth checking out. But honestly, ChatGPT is so cool, and the basic version, this one, is going to be everything you sort of want. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.